Hi, this is Venkatesh. In this video, I am going to explain operations on data in Java language. Operations on data. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, these all comes under operations. Example, addition. Addition, if I apply on different data types, what will be happen? See, first of all, byte, short, int, char. In these four data types, any one data type plus byte, short, int, char. In these four data types, any one data type, if you add, the result integer comes. Like this only, byte, short, int, long, char. In these five data types, any one data type plus long, result long comes. Byte, short, int, long, float, char. In these six data types, any one data type plus float, the result float comes. Byte, short, int, long, float, double, char. In these seven data types, any one data type plus double, result double comes. There are 8 primitive data types in Java language: byte, short, int, long, float, double, char, boolean. But in this chart, I given 7 data types only. One more data type, boolean. On boolean, operations cannot be performed. So, note, operations cannot be performed on boolean type. This is you have to remember. On this, I'll give few code snippets. For example, byte a equal to 10, byte b equal to 20, byte c equal to a plus b, system dot out dot println c. Say in third line, addition operation we are performing on a and b. A is a byte type, b is a byte type, a plus b, byte plus byte, here byte plus byte, result is integer comes. Okay, this line I'll write separate here. Byte c equal to a plus b. Here a is a byte type, b also byte type. Byte plus byte, result is integer type. Integer I am assigning to byte. So integer assigned to byte, it is comes under narrowing conversions. Narrowing conversions, 23 conversions are there. 23 conversions must be done by programmer explicitly. Otherwise, compile time error occurs. About conversions, about type conversions in a previous video I explained. If you watch that video, you will get a more clarity on this video. If I compile and run this program code snippet, we'll get an error. I'll show you in a program. Byte A equal to 10, byte C equal to 20, byte C equal to A plus B. System dot out dot println C. File, save. I'll compile Java C demo.java. See, incompatible types. We are getting error. Now 23 conversions must be done by programmer explicitly, otherwise compile time error occurs. That's what we are getting errors. Here I am writing byte. It is called explicit type conversion. It is called explicit type conversion. We can also call typecasting. We can also call typecasting. It is called as explicit type conversion. Now we can also call typecasting. Now also we'll get error. Why this error? I'll explain. That line I'm writing separate. Byte C equal to, in the brackets, byte A plus B. Here A is a byte type. A is a byte type. But what we are doing is here, A we are converting into byte. A already byte. Again we are converting into byte. Then again byte only comes. Here B. B also byte. Again byte plus byte. Byte plus byte. Result is integer. Result is integer. This integer, if you assign to byte, again we'll get a same error, because we have to convert result of A plus B. But what we did in this code snippet, A only we converted as byte. A already byte, again converted as byte. Actually what we have to convert is result of A plus B we have to convert. If you write like this, again this code snippet will not compile. See, I'll show in a program. Here I am writing byte. I'll save. File, save. I'll compile Java C demo.java. See, again same error we are getting. Now we have to convert result of A plus B. That means here also we have to write brackets. Now this line I'll explain separate. See, byte C equal to, in the brackets byte, again in the brackets A plus B. If you write like this, now what will happen? See, first A is a byte. A is a byte. B also byte. B also byte. Byte plus byte. Byte plus byte, if you add, result is integer. The result of A plus B is integer. This integer myself I am converting into byte explicitly. Now we'll get a byte. After converting I am assigning to C. C is a byte type. Now it is valid. In this code snippet, result of A plus B we are converting as byte. But in previous code snippet, only A converted as byte. That is the difference is there. Now this code snippet I'll write in a program. See, just here in the brackets a plus b. Now if I compile, it will compile successfully. See, file, save. I'll compile java c demo.java. Successfully compiled java demo. Successfully executed. We got output 30. For getting more information on Java, you visit my blog Java by Venkatesh Mansani .blogspot.com. For getting more information on Java, you visit my blog Java by Venkatesh Mansani .blogspot.com.